a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow, so I can understand it.
Oh,
Out of this world and right on time.
what's up, guys? Welcome back to KzoeyNation. Alright, guys, so basically, I have to do this quick prank on EK. I know you guys don't know, but actually in here on the couch, sleep. He finna get his little prince sleep. While Kzo around, no, it's prank wars. I don't be playing no games with these people in this house. Either you gonna stay awake, or you gonna get pranked. Been asleep, guys, and I'm gonna sneak up in there. While he sleep, I'm gonna begin on scroll in his nose, just messing with him in his. Y'all, stay tuned. Get this good reaction. I have to find something to stick in his damn nose. Will it be nasty if I get a broom? Scroll the broom. Okay, alright. I'm gonna find something. I'm gonna be right back.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
I couldn't do it a lot because he seen me and I couldn't run. I didn't know where to go to try to run. You see, y'all see his face, like messing with people.